Begna from grade 7.
And I am Vishwa from grade 7.
Today we're gonna deal with this art paper.
Let's see what we can do.
We're gonna use these keywords to make a poster on the art paper.
I'm planning to write like the first goal here. This is a picture that Sammy wants to go out to the freedom. And this perfect this one.
So, how you are going to plan?
So first we're gonna do a blueprint of this poster and then we're gonna color it something to make it look like
So bad at this.
What you are going to do? What? Color, what you are going to do? Okay.
So this, we tried our level best, but this really didn't work out for us. So we did this instead, which came out really beautiful.
From this poster we learned that freedom is never given, it is won. So that we can conclude from this poster, we should let others enjoy their freedom and not prison them in